The key to foam rolling is, and this is based on the newest literature on foam rolling, is that you go only up toward the heart 1 inch a second, and if you find a tender point, you stay on it for up to 30 seconds, but don't over the tender spot. So we're gonna teach you, I'm gonna kind of do the whole lower body, but we're gonna break it up into calves, quads, IT band, glutes. Okay, so for calves, the easiest version, so historically I had showed people how to go back and forth. So now I'm going to integrate new research. You're going to start at the bottom, and the easiest is to only use your body weight. If you want to make it more intense, cross your leg. Whoa, that will hurt a lot. I have a wonky calf on this side. So we're going to go like this. And you're going to lift up, and I'm going to go about 1 inch a second. And you might have to pick up again. Let's speed up for TV. And then instead of rolling back, I'm gonna pick up my legs and start over, only bottom to top. So that's new. Okay, the butt. So really the part of the butt you need to get is, so if this is your butt bone and this is your hip bone, it's everything in between there. It's like this area. So below your pelvis and in between your hip bone and your butt bone, okay? So I'm going to show you on this side. Kind of stick your leg out straight, and then this one, generally the whole thing is not painful. There's usually a spot that is painful. So I work on this so much I don't really feel anything in this area. Maybe right there. So if that, I would just hang out here on this one. But otherwise, you start at the bottom and just go up toward the heart. Okay, there's a little spot right there. I'd hang out on that and then continue. And sometimes there's another spot. Yeah, there's another little spot right below where the ridge of your pelvis would be, if you know where that is. Okay, same thing with hamstrings. Your hamstrings start at your knees. So you start at your knees. If this is kind of level 1, ow, that's level 2. Okay, that's much more intense. And then you're gonna go about 1 inch a second. Now your hamstring is really big, so you have to kind of divide it into 3 sections. So I would do the inside part, and then I would do the outside part as well, okay? This one and the next one are probably the most painful ones, so be prepared. Cross your leg over. Now I'm on my IT band. This leg determines how much weight. So if I'm like, oh my God, I can't handle it, I'm gonna just lift up with my arm and my leg. So again, start at the bottom, which is just above your knee joint, and then slowly roll down. Oh, ow! So a spot like that, you would stop, take some deep breaths, and hang out on it for a little while. Holy crap, that hurts a lot. And then you would continue on. Oh, that's so painful. Quads. Honestly, everybody thinks their IT band's the worst. Your lateral quad, which is called your vastus lateralis, is definitely, generally, the most painful. But your whole quad, when you roll the whole thing, again, break it, kind of like the hamstring, kind of break it up into 3 sections. These are not that bad. This is no fun. So I'm just going to show you that one first, because it's kind of a weird angle. So you're kind of, it's like you're doing sort of a semi-sideline push-up. Same thing, start at the knee. Ow! Ouch! And you go down. Oh my God, that's so much worse than the IT band. Okay, so that's that.
If you're a patient at Apex Wellness Providers, this video has been made for you to help assist in your technique for your health and wellness journey. If you're not a patient, please use this for educational and entertainment purposes and is never a substitute for your own individual medical advice.